Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this double layered makeup organizer, and I've just got kind of laying here all the time, so I'm really excited to just use this in my own bathroom. Now this is awesome because it actually is a 12-inch by 7.8 by 15.4, and it is a nice acrylic stand. Like I said, it is a multi-layered thing here, so you can have all sorts of heights of different things, and it has drawers. We're going to get this thing assembled and get all of my makeup products added in here and just kind of help organize all of this. We've got some little padded feet for the bottom of it, and here is your base. So this looks super simple to do. You've got your two drawers that just completely come out, and they do have this nice texture right on the front just to add a little elegance to this. So they have nice guide rails right here that we just put them back in, and they just easily slide right back into place. So there's your bottom. And then to assemble this is, so easy. You put the metal sticks into the little holes, and then we're going to place the top rack on. Done. Very easy, so simple, and it's a really nice, I really like how you can have the different heights of things to be able to put inside of here and have all of your things easy to reach and see. And on top of that, things that maybe you don't want to see, maybe there's some makeup brushes or whatever, you can put all of that in your drawers. And then it does have the rubber feet on the bottom. Like I said, you could put it to stick those on there and have it to where it will then be able to glide a little bit easier on your surfaces. So I'll put those on there. But I really appreciate all of the different levels of things that this offers, so you can easily find all of your makeup items. So I'll bring you in here close so you can take a look at just how awesome this thing is to be able to organize all of your bathroom accessories. So here this is up close. You can see the nice acrylic with the pretty texturing even on this top shelf. It's kind of got a little grip to it. And then you've got your nice metal rails here. And this again has just that little bit of textured grip on here. You've got the nice little drawers with the little handles to be able to hold on to, that if you wanted to pull it out and take it with you, you can easily do that because of these nice little guide rails in there. It makes it really simple to be able to take along with you. It pulls in and out really well. This is a nice little addition to any bathroom or makeup area.